Hello everyone, it's Natasha from Treasure Books. I am about to list this in my Etsy shop and I decided to do an impromptu video to show you this journal because I really love how it turned out. I made this journal from a Reader's Digest book and I have decoupaged and distressed the cover, painted all sorts of stuff. And this here that you see at the front, I actually did this on a video a while back, so I will link that video down below if you wanted to have a look. Alright, let's get into the journal. So I'll just show you here, there's a tassel and this can be moved up so it's out of your way when you're writing in the journal. We'll come back to this one a little bit later. Okay, let's begin. Alright, so this is the inside of the journal. I have reinforced the spine so it's nice and sturdy, and I have popped this on the cover. Really pretty scrapbook paper. And then here I'll show you the first page. I love how this turned out. That's from Tea Dyeing, and I've just popped some things in here. This is a vintage postcard, so it's, if I'm right and I can read properly, it's from 1930, so original. And this journal has a very slight travel theme. I've done some stitching here on the page, that's fabric there. And you will see when I say slightly travel themed, so there are some bits and pieces in here which are travel themed. And this is a belly band here. All different types of pages, as I usually do, sewing on the pages, stenciling. Here's a little fabric flip up. I'm going to put all of the measurements and stuff like that in the Etsy listing. I love how this page turned out with the tea dyeing. Then here some pockets. And I've just popped in a few bits and pieces in there. A writing page. And then this envelope. Some book pages here, quotes, some more quotes here. These are like bookmarks. I've got two in there so you can move them around. This one opens up and this one also opens up. So lots of writing space, which is what I'm all about. Some decoration here on the page. Sewing. And bits and pieces that are clipped in that you can move around, of course. So most of the pages in here are tea dyed. This is from a book image that I've cut out, and I've lined it with some tea dyed paper on the back. This is another one of those bookmarks, and here you'll notice that this journal has 3 signatures. 2 of those signatures are signatures, and the middle one is just an envelope that I have bound in, and I've just popped some bits and pieces in there that you can use, and you can use that as your storage, ephemera storage kind of thing. This is another book page that I have lined with some tea dyed paper. Here's a little belly band. This might have been an image from this book, from this Reader's Digest book that I've used to make the journal. Here is a belly band, and I've just popped some stickers in there. These are travel themed stickers. I don't usually do themed journals, but this one is a very slight travel theme. So it doesn't have to be travel theme, you know. It's very slight. So I've done some stenciling there. All different types of book pages. Here's a little fabric pocket here. This one opens up. Some more pockets over here. This is a decoupaged tag that I made. This tag here opens up, so you can have it this way and embellish it and all sorts of stuff. And here is another fabric pocket over here. Most of the things I have clipped in so you can move them around. Just some embellishing here. Lots and lots of pages and lots of writing space. And potential for a lot of beautiful embellishing and embellishments. And I really like, I haven't done this before, but putting in pages kind of skewed and sideways, it looks really cool. I like it. This is a tag clipped in. The other side of that book page. And this is the back of the journal. Handmade by Natasha from Treasure Books. And this is the back. Okay, so that's the journal. And also here you can add more of your things if you want, or you can remove this one and add something different. So you can definitely personalize it and make it your own. And here I've just put in some bits and pieces that you can use in your journal. Just a few different things that you can use. A little dangly over here. This can be on a different journal. You can pop this as a book plate. A little book page envelope, just, you know, some different things. Book page, this is a napkin. You can use this to do some decoupaging. Little chipboard tag, just a few different things. Okay, so that's the newest thing in my Etsy shop. And just to let you know, I am working on the tutorial for this journal. The cheesecloth journal, so it's definitely coming up. I'm actually working on a couple of videos, so lots to look forward to. This one I actually have to recreate it because I made this journal many years ago and I have to remind myself on how I did it. So I have to recreate it, write all the steps down, and then I'm going to do a tutorial for you guys. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you feel inspired and I will see you in my next video. Bye!